Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Technology World Hasib. In this video, we bring to you a collection of websites where you can find high quality free stock videos and footages. Some of these sites offer royalty free videos that you can download and use in commercial projects for free, while some require you to give attribution. Most of these video sites offer watermark free videos and stock footages. Always make sure you read the terms and conditions regarding their usage before downloading stock videos and footages from these sites. In this video, I have prepared a list of 5 websites which will I present to you. So here they are. Pixabay. This is a photo and video sharing site where you can provide your best footage for others to use while finding the perfect free footage for your own projects. These videos are royalty free and can even be used for free in commercial projects. You will find no copyright video clips from various categories such as architecture, fashion, people, places, travel, and with different effects including slow motion, time lapse, and animations. On downloading, you will get the videos in .mp4 format. Pexels. If you are looking for where to get 100% free videos, then Pexels is where you need to look. Pexels have an extensive collection of completely free stock videos. All their videos come with a CCO license, so you can use Pexels videos where you want, either commercial purpose or personal. You have the right to even edit and alter them to your satisfaction without giving credit or asking for anybody's permission. You can find videos on people, technology, cities, and nature. Mixkit offers free videos in a wide variety of topics. These royalty-free videos are ready to use in commercial projects such as music, visuals, marketing videos, ads, PowerPoint, vlogs, and more. On their site, you will find video across categories such as nature videos, lifestyle videos, coffee videos, and more. In addition to free stock videos, Mixkit also offers free stock music and free Adobe Premiere Pro templates and video effects to enhance your video production. Another free footage for video editing is Vedivo. This is one of the most popular sites which offers thousands of free stock videos categorized by kinds to browse conveniently. Moreover, you can use the stock videos for travel, occasion, business, and a lot more. It has more than 15,000 free stock footages. The last tool that will be presented is the cover. This website is jam-packed with thousands of beautiful free stock videos. In addition to that, they continue uploading beautiful videos to share them with the community. Also, you can use video clips for work, nature, people, fitness, videos, and so on. It can be used for both personal and commercial. We came to this conclusion: with these free video sites, you can find professional quality videos and images and download without copyright and watermark for free. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, like the video, and be sure to press the bell icon to all. Thanks.